What's up guys, my name's Sunny and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bugani Brief Pro and the Brief TT Bluetooth speakers. One is built like a retro futuristic tank with enough power to annoy the entire neighborhood, while the other is a rugged RGB lit that you can throw in dirt, and despite its size, it still packs a decent punch to it. Let's see which one of these deserves your hard-earned cash. Now, when it comes to speakers, physics tells us that moving ear requires massive cabinets and massive drivers. But when you turn on the Bugani Brief Pro, it genuinely feels like it's breaking those rules, because the sheer amount of air that it pushes out of a small little footprint, it actually defies the logic. You expect a portable speaker to sound loud, but you don't expect it to physically push you back into your chair like the Bugani Brief Pro does. Before we get into the details, let me tell you how you could win $50 for free just for watching this video. Leave me a comment down below and tell me, have you ever owned a Bluetooth speaker? If so, what was your favorite thing about it? Or just tell me a fact about yourself, or tell me something funny, and leave a way to contact you down there as well. You can enter once per day for 10 days. Make sure to watch the whole video and give it a thumbs up, and maybe share it with your friends and family as well. And of course, check out the Bugani website and show them some love. I'll have all that information down below as always for you guys to check it out. So this is the Bugani Brief Pro, and right around 200 bucks on Bugani's website. It's packing some serious hardware for the price. The moment you pull this out of the box, it completely gives you a very high quality product vibe, and it actually is. It is incredibly dense and heavy and really well built. And when you grab the rigid handle to pick it up, the entire underside is lined with a soft premium suede material that gives you a pretty soft grip. It has this aggressive retro futuristic aesthetic to it, with cold champagne gold trim wrapping around a really tight textured black mesh. And if gold isn't your thing, it's also available in this black and silver color option. Right underneath the handle is this metallic machine volume dial. Right in the center, it has a slight wobble to it, but giving it a twist cranks the volume up or down, and pressing it down pauses and plays your tracks. And it feels so much better than mashing a rubber button that you might find on another Bluetooth speaker. Next to the volume knob is this pairing button, and over on the back underneath a thick rubberized flap, you get your USB-C auxiliary inputs. Talking about performance, over on the inside, Bugani managed to cram in 160 watts of peak power with dual subwoofers and dual tweeters. Translated to the real world, it means you don't just hear the bass guitar or kick of the drum, you literally feel it vibrating in your chest. It completely fills a backyard or a massive living room gathering. It's also IPX5 water resistant, so if someone knocks over or it gets splashed by the pool, the hardware is gonna be totally fine. Just don't dunk it in water, because that might damage it. It packs a massive 4900 milliamp hour battery as well. That'll get you about 12 hours of playtime according to Bugani. And fun fact, if you connect your phone to it using a USB-C cable, it acts like a power bank for your phone to keep your playlist alive for a long time. The downside of that is the fact that you can't just connect your phone to the speaker using the USB-C cable. It has to be over Bluetooth only. And talking about Bluetooth, it supports Bluetooth 5.3 and hi-res audio, so the sound that comes out of this thing is genuinely pretty crisp and clear. And speaking of keeping things alive, if you drop a quick like and hit that subscribe button, it keeps this channel going and helps me bring more of this tech straight to you guys at no extra cost. Now, the Brief Pro is a total beast, but maybe, just maybe, you don't want to carry around a heavy suede lined block to the beach. Maybe you need something you can throw in the dirt. That brings us to the Bugani Brief TT right here. This is going to be the smaller, rowdier sibling to the Bugani Brief Pro, sitting right around 70 bucks. It completely drops the metal and suede for its hyper rugged, tightly woven dual tone fabric that gives your hand a ton of raw grip. It trades the rigid top for a thick, flexible silicone strap. You can just loop around a finger or clip it to a back. It still pushes massive 60 watts of power, which is more than enough to completely take over a campsite maybe. But the best part is the durability of this thing. It's fully IP67 dust and waterproof. You can literally bury this thing in sand, leave it out out in a downpour or drop it into the mud, and you can just rinse it off and just keep playing your jams. Bugani also threw in this really cool RGB lighting square on the side of this thing that physically breathes and pulsates with the beat of your tracks. And if you ever want to create a massive wall of sound, you can wirelessly pair two of these TTs together for a true stereo setup that completely surrounds you. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for the Bugani Brief Pro and the Brief TT. I'll drop the links to both of these down in the description below so you guys can check out the current pricing on Bugani's website and Amazon as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon. Later.